Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to use VPN hotspot and proxy for your VPN, like tethering VPN connection from the phone to the PC. Currently the phone, if you hotspot from the phone on the connection that you receive on the PC, it doesn't include that connection doesn't include the VPN connection. So for example, me here, I will show you. I will first connect my VPN. So for example, I have that Napsternet V and I've connected. And so now I'll try going to some sites that are blocked here in my country. For instance, that Facebook is blocked and I cannot access it if I do not use a VPN. So I've turned on my VPN and yeah, now I can access Facebook. If I do disconnect the VPN, Facebook stops because the service providers blocked it and they have like conditions. Actually, it's totally blocked. Yeah, as you can see, it's blocked. So it's only VPN that can enable me access Facebook, and that is of course some of the reasons why like we use the VPNs, just like to have access to the blocked content, and Facebook is one of them here. So I'll just like enable it again, and when I come to my app there, Chrome, I try to open Facebook, it opens. Yeah, so now that is it. Now I'll try to hotspot this connection. I hotspot to my PC and I show you what happens if you hotspot your connection with a VPN on the PC. So those are like my hotspot details. So I need, my Wi-Fi is called Galaxy Hotspot, and then the password is that. So I'll go into my PC and open that. If you don't have that enabled, you can just like set the Wi-Fi name and then the password for accessing your Wi-Fi. Don't make it free. So after that, I'll just quickly now jump to my PC, and then in my PC I've connected to the Wi-Fi that I've created from my phone. As you can see, it's Galaxy Hotspot, and try opening a few sites here. So I'm totally connected. I'll just like go to Chrome, and as you can see, I cannot access Telegram, even though I'm connected, but I cannot access Telegram. Telegram is blocked. Facebook is also blocked, meaning I need like VPN connection to have access to these sites. You can see totally they cannot load. Even though I'm connected. So now to have that connection, that's why we need this app called VPN Hotspot and Proxy. This app is on Play Store. It's free of charge, and you can use it to share your VPN connection. So I'll just open it. I have it already installed, and then put any port. So in my case, I'll put 8080. That works best for me. And then I'll start. So after putting that, I tap on Start Proxy Server. You can put 8080, 8090, 8010, and then if it's busy, you can close this app, and then like you start it over again. So if you start Proxy Server, it generates for you the host name or address, that 192.168.43.1, and even the proxy port, which is 8080. The proxy port is basically that port that you've decided to put up there. So these are the values that you're supposed to enter in your PC under the proxy settings of your PC or any other device that you want to get the VPN connection from your phone. So in my case, I'll just like go and enter these values in the PC. So going into the PC, I'll just search for proxy settings. My connection is, I'm still connected to my Wi-Fi, so you don't disconnect that. You keep connection to the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then come to proxy. So in proxy, you turn the manual proxy on, like you've seen there. After turning it on, you put in the other values that you saw from the app, from your VPN Hotspot and Proxy app. Those values that were generated there, they're the ones that you put inside this address. Some PC call it host name, but yeah, put in that address, and then the port you put on the 8080 or the port that you've used, save. And then after saving, you now go back to your Chrome. If you go back to your Chrome, you can see that you now have access to the blocked sites. So even Telegram that was not working, just refresh it and it loads everything. So you can everything is loaded, and yeah, you can access the blocked sites just like that. So I do not have the VPN on my PC, but then I'm just like accessing this connection from the phone. So that's how you can use the VPN hotspot and proxy to tether your VPN connection.